Okay, before you scroll past, let me show you why people are making serious money talking about plants. Yes, plants. The plant niche is one of those niches that looks simple on the surface, but underneath, it's a deeply engaged, rapidly growing community with real money attached to it. We're talking houseplants, gardening, botanical care, urban farming, and even rare plant collecting. This niche is bigger than most people realize, and the numbers prove it. Here's what makes this niche special. Plant content attracts a very specific type of viewer, someone who is passionate, patient, and willing to spend money on their hobby. Plant lovers buy seeds, pots, fertilizers, grow lights, soil kits, and online courses. That means advertisers are actively competing to get in front of this audience. And that competition? It drives your earnings up. So what is the competition like in this niche? The plant niche sits at a low to medium competition level, which is exactly where you want to be as a new creator. Yes, there are established channels, but the demand for plant content is growing faster than creators are entering the space. Sub-niches like religious plants, rare houseplants, plant propagation, indoor gardening for small spaces, and beginner plant care are still wide open and waiting for the right creator. And that could be you. The growth potential in this niche is genuinely exciting. The global houseplant market is worth billions, and it exploded after 2020 when people started investing in their home environments. That trend never slowed down. On YouTube and Facebook, plant content gets shared heavily in communities and groups, which means organic reach is high. Creators in this space have built audiences of 500,000 to over 2 million subscribers purely by showing people how to care for and grow plants. And here's the part that will surprise you, the RPM and CPM. The plant niche carries an average CPM of $6 to $18 and an RPM of $3 to $10. Now, why so high for a hobby niche? Because the advertisers here include home improvement brands, gardening companies, subscription box services, and e-commerce stores, all paying premium rates to reach plant enthusiasts. The more targeted your content, the higher your earnings per 1,000 views. Let me break down the best content angles in this niche so you understand exactly what works. How to care guides, evergreen content that gets searched daily, rare plant showcases, high shareability and collector communities, propagation tutorials, beginner-friendly and highly rewatchable, plant room tours, aspirational content that drives massive engagement, urban and apartment gardening, perfect for younger audiences in cities. Pick one angle, stay consistent, and your channel will grow. Here are 3 small channels that are doing things right in the plant niche. I would recommend you get some inspiration from the channel. Number 1 is the Homestead Roots channel. This channel is just 3 months old from the time of creating this video. They uploaded their first video in December 2025. In just 3 months, they have been able to get 184,000 subscribers with just 34 uploaded videos. The channel currently have 5.6 million views. According to vidIQ, the channel is currently earning between $6,000 to $17,000 monthly. This is super amazing for a 3-month-old channel. The RPM for the channel is $6. Next is the Bible Health channel. This channel focuses on religious plants, an amazing sub-niche. This channel is just 2 months old from the time of creating this video. The channel uploaded its first video in December 2025. With 32 videos, they earned for themselves 27,000 subscribers. The channel currently has 639,000 views. vidIQ suggests that the channel currently earns between $600 to $2,000. The RPM for this channel is $4. Last is Temple Lifestyle channel. The channel focuses on religious plants. This channel is also 2 months old from the time of creating this video. With just 8 videos, they have gotten 27,000 subscribers. The channel currently has 668,000 views. vidIQ suggests that the channel currently earns between $1,000 to $3,000 monthly. The RPM for this channel is $4. If the plant niche isn't quite your thing, or you're still figuring out what niche is the right fit for you, I've got you covered. I created an ebook with over 1,500 profitable niche ideas, broken down and organized to help you find the perfect niche for your content style and goals. Beginners and experienced creators are already using it. The download link is sitting right in the description and in my bio. Go grab it. Follow for a new niche breakdown every week. New niche, new opportunity. Let's grow together.